This is the third equation in the equation sheet. Bx squared equal to bi squared plus 2a delta x. Let's go ahead and prove it. We already know from the first equation is that Vf equal to Vi plus At. And so if you square both sides, you're gonna get F squared equal to Bi squared plus 2 Bi At plus At squared. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna put parentheses in here, which is the same thing. F squared equal to Vi squared plus you're gonna put 2a out, and inside what you have left is Vit plus 1/2 At squared, and this by the second equation is delta x, and you have the third equation, f squared equal Vi squared plus 2a delta x.